Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Britney Louise. If you are new here, how you doing? Hey, hello to Jay, honey. I am dripped in butter. I am dripped in the new Body Lava Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to show you guys how I came to this. We're going to talk about it. I do my best here to try to provide an experience for you guys with all things beauty. So if that is something that you like, don't forget to tap the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell as well so that you get notifications every time I upload. Let's get into this video. Fenty Beauty's latest release, Trophy Wife Body Lava. Miss Rihanna decided to re-release the Body Lava during spring, right before summer, getting us ready, shocking us. On Thursday, March 21st, Trophy Wife was with the beginning launch of Fenty Beauty. So if you remember the original Trophy Wife was in a highlighter shade like so. Very pretty, very golden. Everybody wanted Trophy Wife when it first came out. I think it's only right that Rihanna came out with Trophy Wife as a Body Lava. Did anybody see that coming? Absolutely not, I'm sure, because I definitely did not. So I've swatched for you the Trophy Wife in the highlighter. Now I'm gotta get our pumps going, and I'm just gonna give you guys a nice little swatch of that, and so you can see how gorgeous that is. And the scent is still the same, a very rich vanilla floral fragrance. I'm going to swatch on my chest here, one side the Trophy Wife and one side Brown Sugar, just because I have to. We're gonna start off with the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Look at how gold that is. So I'm gonna put some here, I'm gonna put some on my shoulder, and I'm gonna rub this bad boy in. Nobody can do it the way Rihanna does it at all. Let me tell you, when I say ma'am has the sultry eyes for you. This is what Trophy Wife looks like on my beautiful chocolate skin. Very nice. I haven't highlighted yet, and I kind of want to play with it on my face and kind of go back and forth between these two. I'm a very experimental type of person, so bear with me. If it sucks, then my makeup is ruined, but I can always fix that. I'm also gonna do it again and just pump some more here on my arm and just give y'all the business, because honey, this is ridiculous. My goodness. Are we trying to glisten or glow this summer, honey? I just want to know. Rihanna said, don't you worry, my babies. We are glowing, okay? Ooh, one day I'm gonna have a clavicle, and then I can do that thing. That you know, people with clavicles that show. I mean, I know I have a clavicle, you guys, but you know, I have more to love as well on top of the clavicle. But one day this clavicle gonna pop out, y'all, and I'm gonna be able to put a highlight on this clavicle, okay? Now that we've done Trophy Wife, we're gonna go old school, and we're gonna shake up Brown Sugar, babe. And we are going to just act a fool. I've always really liked the way Brown Sugar looked. You can clearly see a difference. You can definitely see a difference in the shine. Now, I know I got a little bit, I didn't clean the brush. I know I have a little bit of Trophy Wife in here, but that's okay. You can still see the difference, how Brown Sugar looks versus how Trophy Wife looks. Trophy Wife is a little bit more exposed to the light. The light catches it in a more exposed way, if that makes sense. And Brown Sugar is actually catching it in more of a strobing like way. However I turn, and when the light hits it, that's gonna be a little different versus you just seeing it like it's real bright. Brown Sugar, and then this again is Trophy Wife. Brown Sugar, when I turn my arm, very stroby. Trophy Wife, crazy exposure. Do you absolutely need them? No, you don't. But do you want them? Depends on who you are. If it was me and I was watching this, I would definitely say yes. Now this is Trophy Wife as a gloss on my face. I am never subtle about glossing my face at all. Just like I'm not subtle with my highlight. The weird thing is you don't necessarily see the flakes in it. So I will take some videos of myself outside to see if they show up a lot better on the face like they do on my chest. And I will absolutely have some inserts for you with that. But as far as just looking straight ahead, it almost just melts right into my face. One side, I'm just gonna do like a little trophy wipe, because that's the thing about trophy wipe. You need like none. Heaven was waiting on me to come and get these blessings, okay? I just took what's left here, and I just tapped that gloss, the Body Lava, over my trophy wipe. So the Body Lava trophy wipe, I tapped over the powder, the highlight trophy wipe, and honey, I am beaming. So if you just want like that nice high shine, that little gloss, use the Body Lava on your cheeks, and use very, very little, because again, it's a little sticky. So, you know, now after a while the stickiness does die down, but again, this doesn't bother me. I like that this makes me look, you know, wet. Yeah, I don't know how that sounds coming out of my mouth. We like to look glowy, glossy, like overly, yeah, like a glossy Barbie doll, okay? Yes, glossy plus size Barbie doll. That is what I am. Anyway, so okay, so subtle, let's just do it really quick. Subtlety gloss, right? Beaming gloss. The heavens have opened up and shined upon you. Beaming gloss, right? Just a little disrespect, full disrespect. Little disrespect, full disrespect. Say it with me. A little disrespectful, full on, honey, I'm about to fight you in the club. Actually, no, because we are classy, but my highlight's about to fight you, disrespect. There's a difference, okay? If you want to get rid of the stickiness, go back over it with a brush, but you know, you have to be very careful with this, because you know your limitation on how much highlight you want, right? You know, if you want to do subtlety, and then on this side you can just go back over your body. You can go over your Body Lava with a very, 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 very light powder. I'm talking about like what I'm doing here. This is enough, because you don't want the powder to take it away. So overall, I think it's like only smart that they did a trophy wipe. It makes sense, because trophy wipe was like the very first beaming highlight that was snatching heads, turning heads. So I think it was appropriate for them to create an addition to the Body Lava. So now there are 3 Body Lavas. Who Needs Clothes, Brown Sugar, and now there's trophy wipe. Now that I've figured out, you know, how to really play with this. Oh yeah, once you put powder on top, forget about it. I think Fenty did a great job. The color is sick, it's beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you like some of the techniques that I showed you? That is it. If you want me to show you how I did this look, created this look, let me know in the comments below. I'd say, you know, let's do about like 10 to 15 comments. I will absolutely do that for you guys. I'll show you how I did it. It'll be a start to finish. I'd like to thank you for watching my video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. And if you're still thinking about subscribing to me, then you stayed this long. So, you know, you might as well just do yourself a favor and do me a favor. Slap the subscribe button, because you know what? I got more for you. And I just thank you in advance for that, okay? I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.